this video, we're going to talk about tables and how tables can help us find 5 points of a linear function and then help us to graph it. So if you are asked to make a table for a linear function, you will always use the same 5 x values. You will use -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. Now, your table will always be set up the same way, with your x values in this column, your y values in this column, and then your function in the middle column. So now, since we use the same x values every single time, all we have to do is plug those x values into the function. For example, our first x value is -2, and our function is y equals x plus 7. So we plug in -2 for x. Now we get -2 plus 7, which equals +5. And then if we plug in -1, we get -1 plus 7, which equals +6. And the same with 0. We get 0 plus 7, which equals +7. And then 1 plus 7, which equals 8. And 2 plus 7, which equals 9. Now, once we've filled out our table, we still have another step. We have to write our coordinate points. So we have an x value, and we have a y value, so we must write those as a point. Now, we have our x and our y in our coordinate points. So, if we write the coordinates, we have -2, 5, -1, 6, 0, 7, 1, 8, and 2, 9. Now, once we have those 5 points, we can use them to graph our line. I would now like you to pause the video to fill out the table below for the function y equals 3x plus 2. Now, if you got the points as -2, -4, -1, -1, 0, 2, 1, 5, and 2, 8, then you would be correct. Now, the last thing you'll be doing is pausing the video to fill out the table for the function y equals -2x minus 3. Please do this on your spare sheet of paper, and once you have finished, the video is over.